Good morning everyone. So today we'll start with the next topic, advantages of a computer. Your first advantage is about speed. A computer can perform any calculation at a very high speed. Means computer can do anything because it has a very high speed. That is the advantage of a computer. Accuracy. A computer never make mistakes. It always gives correct results. Mistakes are generally done by the users. I told you in the previous video also that computer never make mistakes because we are the users, we are the human beings, and we can make mistakes, right? Whenever we write in a notebook, we make many silly mistakes and we then erase it and write. But computer can never make a mistake. Versatility. Computer can efficiently perform a variety of tasks. Means computer एक टाइम पे बहुत सारे टास्क परफॉर्म कर सकता है. For example, it can play music, perform calculations, share information. Means if we are doing something on a computer, like we are writing something or doing anything, so in the meanwhile, we can also play songs at that same time. Storage capacity. As we all know that computer has a very wide storage capacity because it can store any much amount of data in itself. It can store a large amount of data. The data can be used anytime we want. See, the data never gets lost in the computer. And हम लोग जितना चाहें उतना ज़्यादा डेटा, उतनी ज़्यादा GB में, MB में हम लोग डेटा अपनी कंप्यूटर में स्टोर कर सकते हैं. Diligence. A computer never gets tired because it is very diligent in nature. It can work for long hours without needing any break. See, computer कभी भी नहीं थकता है. We are human beings. We can get tired at a time, but computer never gets tired. Multitasking. A computer can perform multitask. What is the meaning of multitasking? Multitasking means कि एक ही टाइम पे बहुत सारे टास्क परफॉर्म करना. मीन्स एक साथ बहुत सारे काम करना. लाइक अगर हम लोग कंप्यूटर पे कुछ लिख रहे हैं या फिर कोई ड्राइंग बना रहे हैं पेंट पे, तो मीनवाइल में हम लोग बैकग्राउंड में म्यूजिक भी प्ले कर सकते हैं. और मीनवाइल में अगर हम लोग ने पीछे से कोई बैकअप में हम लोग ने लगा दिया कि ये इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोग को सेंड करनी है किसी और को, तो वो हमारी इन्फॉर्मेशन भी उस तक सेंड हो जाएगी. दैट इज मीन्स कि कंप्यूटर मल्टीटास्किंग होता है बिकॉज वो एक ही टाइम पे बहुत सारे टास्क परफॉर्म कर सकता है. इज दैट क्लियर दिस टॉपिक, एडवांटेजेस ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर? फाइन, थैंक यू.